Hello everyone, apne sob ke bhi good evening ar samnaga news se welcome Korea se. Aji samnaga fresh news te niga se Department of School Education Canberra. Idu state te thaka private ar government school laga head kan gain form korishe ki. Idu students Canberra taikanaga permanent education number PEN aro Aadhaar card na thagilipi taikan ge school de admission dibole chanai dishe. Arukun students Canberra taikan laga PEN aro Aadhaar card nai idu students kan ge school de admit koripole aro idu students kan laga permanent education number do generate koripole nimide. Idu students kan laga personal detail kan do EPRCS de miss out student laga nam de bra submit kori dibole inform korishe. Aro next day ase Power Department Canberra inform korishe ki aha kali March 8 laga din de idu morning 5 baji atha de bra luigina 8 baji atha tak Idu Nagarjan substation laga 33 kV do shutdown koripole thaka do janai dishe. Aro ko laga hisab de idu laga shutdown de Dimapur district, Jumukidima Newland aro Biren idu tinta district laga power supply to effect hobo koyase. Mane idu charda district kante aha kali morning 3 hours do light nahi po koyase. Aro next day ase report pa laga hisab de Ukraine laga President Zelensky bra Dai idu next week Monday din de Saudi Arabia de travel koripole ase kushe. Aro dai Saudi Arabia laga Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman ge law korigena peace nimide kotha koripole ase kushe. Aro next day ase Nagaland laga Chief Minister Nefirio Opera kushe ki idu state government duile idu naga peace talk do baratak jaldi resolve koripole nimide. Dai kan active effort di thaka do janai dishe. Aro idu 2025 aro 26 laga budget assembly de Nefirio Opera clarify korishe ki State government duhile idu center aro naga political group idu duida majo laga negotiation de taikan directly involved nokore holepi taikan ekta helper nishna active role play kori thaka noilepi taikan ge modot kori thaka do janai dishe. Aro next day ase Mizoram state laga health and family welfare laga minister brako laga hisab de Mizoram laga government duhile state de aro bi ekta nudun healthcare laga scheme do implement kori bole nimide. Asian Development Bank ADB idulaga bank de bra $108 million nishna loan do lopole propose korishe aro itia idukan process de jai thaka do janai dishe. Aro next day ase Manipur laga government bra Gundu recently idu duida communities kan ge idu taikan laga hat de thaka illegal weapons kan do willingly surrender kori dibole 14 days noilepi 2 hafta time rakhi dishe. Idu deadline do joa kali khotom hoise aro idu 14 days bhitor de Public Canberra sob milai kina 1055 nishna alag weapons kan do surrender korishe koyase. Aro joa kali last din de duhile Public Canberra 186 nishna alag firearms kan do submit kori dishe koyase. Aro mota iklan hoi kina Maki Canberra bi ahi kina submit kora do janai dishe. Aro next day ase South Korea laga impeach President Yoon Suk Yeol ge duhile Dai idu joa sal December 3 de martial law declare kora nimide. Dai ke police Canberra idu sal January 15 de arrest kori kena jail de rakhi dishe. Hoilepi court Canberra talaga upor de idu arrest warrant do cancel kori dia pachode. Idu President Yoon Suk Yeol ke duhile aji jail de bra release kori dishe koyase. Aro dai nishna nika sitting president noilepi power de thaka president ge Inika criminal charges de bra arrest kori kena jail de rakha duhile dai hi first president thagishe koyase. Aro next day ase Microsoft laga vice chairman aro president Brent Smith bra kuishe ki taikan idu South Africa de AI artificial intelligence laga infrastructure development de aro bi additional 5.4 billion nishna puisa do invest kori pole thaka do janai dishe. Aro next day ase Russia laga defense ministry bra kuishe ki taikan laga forces nailepi Russia laga troops Canberra eastern Ukraine laga aro bi alag ekta village doile capture kori lishe koyase. Aro taikan brako laga hisab de idu laga basti doile taikan idu sal January first week de brahi already capture kori kina thagishe koyase. Aro next day ase report pa laga hisab de Kolkata laga police Canberra ekta 24 years old laga maki ke doile arrest kori lishe koyase. Kile kuile idu maki bra talaga fake address nailepi misamish laga address kandu di kina aro nam kandu cholai kina at least 800 nishna sim card kandu olai she koyase. Aridu maki bredu sim card kandu olai kina black tebra pikai she koyase. Aridu laga connection de police Canberra arubi alag dos jon nishna manu ke duile turi she koyase. Aro next day ase FBI aro interagency Canberra miligina Tinjun US laga army soldiers ke duile arrest kurishe koyase. Aridu Tinjun machode ekjundu US laga ex army thagishe koyase. Aridu US laga Tinjun army ke taikan gile arrest kurishe koile. Idu Tinjun manubra America Defense Intelligence mane military laga information kan duile. Taikan brachor Greekina China kan ge tia turishe koyase. Aro China national enemy country kan ge power chola bole mutot kuri thagishe koyase. Aro next day ase report palaga hisab de Syria de Aji Friday din de Syria laga security forces aro Assad loyalists mane Syria laga former president laga supporters idu duida majode Ekdom Biafra chakradu olaishe aro 70 nailebi 71 nishna manudu morishe aro pishimanu jokom hwado janai diche Aji samlaga news se mataki ase aro lasta kuni diabra pishi thanks janai di ase